Okay, the first move in the 24-step form is prepare and begin. And it's the thing that takes us from not doing Tai Chi to doing Tai Chi. Start with our heels together and the feet pointing out. We sink all of our weight into our right leg. Now it's not a hugely obvious thing, so it's not this. You're trying to feel as though your right leg is being pulled down into the ground and your left leg is being pulled up into the air. And that allows you to then peel the heel off the ground, shift the weight into the heel now, and then push down with the heel and out to the side and turn the toes in slightly. We're going to sink the weight across now into the left leg and float the hands out slightly. Because you've got the weight in the left leg now, you can come up on the heel of the right foot, turn that one in, and at the same time as you're about to move your weight back, rotate your hands as if they're coming around a ball. And as you come back to the middle, sink your weight down and bring your hands down. We're also going to tilt our pelvis forward. So the common way of thinking of it is normally a bowl of water or a bowl of rice. So if you were chopped across here, you've either got water in your pelvis or rice. Too far forward, it's going to tip out. Too far backwards, it's going to tip out. So you're looking for a neutral position. In finding the neutral position, chances are this is going to start hanging out. Perfect, that's what we want. It's one of the few exercise routines where you're encouraged to relax everything. And relaxing everything includes letting this hang out. Sometimes it's called standing like a 5-year-old child, because a 5-year-old child will just stand quite happily like that, nice and relaxed, because they haven't been told to pull something in, stick something out. They just stand in whatever way feels comfortable. So we start heels together, feet pointing out, sink the weight into the right leg, peel the heel off the ground, extend it out to the side, lead with the heel as it pushes down and turn the toes in slightly. Let the hands float to the side and come around the ball, turn the right toes in, come back to the middle, down, tilt that pelvis and start to try and relax. And that is prepare and begin. From the back, sinking down to the right, peeling the heel, lead with the heel, turn the toes in, come around the ball with the hands, turn the right foot in, and come down to the relaxed position. That's all prepare. After we've prepared, we can begin. So we're in this position, we're nice and relaxed, as though somebody's got hold of your hands, your wrists rather. Just let them float up to the sky, pull them back a little, and then push them down. Good way of thinking of this one is you're up to your waist in water and there's a big beach ball here. Now there, you've got the beach ball pushed underwater. So because the buoyancy is going to lift the ball up, it takes no effort at all for the hands to rise. But when you want to push the ball back under the water, it takes a little more to push it down. So it's an easy rise, pull in a little bit, and then a push down. That's begin. So what that's doing as well is that's lifting the top half of you up and then pushing you down. In Tai Chi, everything below the waist is being pulled into the ground, everything above the waist is being lifted up into the sky. That's what gives you the really good posture. So the begin is lift the wrists up, pull the wrist back, push the hands down. That is begin. If you were to put your hand on your shoulder, when you're lifting the hand up, you'll feel it drop. So if you put your hand there and you lift your hand, you shouldn't be feeling this, so your arm shouldn't be going up. When you lift, you should actually feel it drop there. And that's what shows that this is relaxed. So much like when you start and you're peeling the heel off the ground, you're using the knee to lift. And the only reason the bottom of your leg and your foot is moving is because they're connected to the knee. So less is more. So you're lifting. Then you're transferring the weight into the heel of the foot to push down. Same with the arms. The only reason the shoulder and elbow are moving is because the wrist is moving. So that is prepare and begin. We're ready to go.